Let's talk Louis Vuitton's latest fragrance. I've got a first impression. Will I be buying this or won't I? If you want to know, keep watching. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much and welcome back. You are appreciated. Today we're going to be talking about the new Louis Vuitton fragrance, you guys, and you know it's French, okay? So let's just get the name out of the way right now. It recently launched here at the beginning of September, and the name is Coeur Battant. Okay, and I could be completely butchering that up, so I'm definitely going to put the name on the screen so that you can see it. It just means beating heart. The perfumer behind this fragrance, I'm also going to place the name right here. It is set to be a woman's fragrance. However, if a man chooses to wear it, he can do his own thing and wear it as well. The motto behind it is live your best life and live every moment with passion, which I can totally relate to. So let's get into it and how it smells. It was so hard to get a sample, but thank you to the people out the South Coast Plaza who was able to get me a sample. Thank you so much for that. I was able to get my hands on it and get a sample, you guys, and I don't know how I feel about it completely. This is my first impression. I did do a wear test, so I'm going to give you my honest opinion, my honest review, my honest thoughts, as I always do. This fragrance, the keynote in it, and you can smell this keynote in the beginning, you can smell it in the middle, and you can definitely smell it in the dry down, and that would happen to be pear. Pear is hugely a strong note in this particular fragrance. This fragrance also has lang lang, it has patchouli, it has jasmine, Egyptian jasmine, so it has some really nice florals in there, more of a white floral. It's really sweet but not too sweet, and when I say sweet, I don't mean sweet like a sugar candy kind of sweet, but more of a like a honeybee kind of sweet, if you allow me to use that. The thing about it is, like, on this card it smells okay, it smells good. On me, I don't like it. I do not like it. For me, to me, it seems very mature. It just smells like, I couldn't even compartmentalize it. I'll tell you what it's not doing. It's not doing the most. It's not a double take. It's not extra. It's not over the top. It's very warm. It's very safe. It's very, it has like a freshness to it, but not like a clean aquatic type of fresh clean, but it does have a freshness to it. It is, like I said, sweet. You definitely smell the pear. Where would a person wear this to? Anywhere. It's a everywhere, any day kind of fragrance. It's not over the top, so it wouldn't be off-putting. You could wear it to the office, you could wear it to church, you could wear it to, you know, like do your errands every day if you wanted to do. This can be someone's everyday scent. This could even be someone's signature scent. If you're looking for something more safe, more soft, not in your face at all, this would totally be a fragrance to go with. If you were asking me, Cheraye, do you think I should buy it? I would definitely say, as I always say, you guys, start with a sample. This is not a fragrance that I would particularly buy. This is not a fragrance that I would write home about. I didn't get a wow factor. I wasn't moved. I wasn't transported anywhere when I smelled it. It was just like, it's nice. It's Louis Vuitton. Now here's what I will say. It does smell luxurious. I do get expensive. I do get a class. I do get sophistication. I do get those things because it does have that to it. But much more than that, I just get safe. A safe white floral, sweet with a pear note, hugely impacted in the fragrance, and that's about what I get, and it stops right there for me. I can't put any more on it. That's really not there. This is my honest opinion. Like I said, I've just smelled it for the last, what, 48 hours, so this is what I feel. The longevity on it, it's moderate. Like I said, it's not a heavy fragrance to begin with, so when it dries down, it does dry down kind of faint, kind of light. Now remember, this is all on me. This is my body chemistry. Fragrances tend to perform different on each person. It just depends. Fragrances are very subjective, so you have to see how it pairs on you. For me, I wasn't moved. It wasn't a wow factor for me. It wasn't a double take, but I did want to pop on really quickly. If you follow me on Instagram, which I hope you are, we can connect over there. I'm over there a whole lot more than I am on YouTube. I'm only here twice a week. Over there, I'm there every day. But I was looking at Louis Vuitton. I went in and I definitely said I had to get a sample because I wanted to share with you guys and let you know how I felt about it and actually provide some insight in case you were thinking about it. Now, the ladies in the department store happen to feel differently. Some of the ones that work there said that this is the best one that they feel that Louis Vuitton has ever created for women. I strongly disagree. Rose Devant is everything, my personal opinion. And I do have some other ones that I feel would be over this one as well. I definitely recommend getting a sample, trying it out, seeing how you like it. This one does retail for $250. This is for the 3.4 fluid ounces. It retails for $250. You can order it online, and it can be picked up at the Louis Vuitton store itself. As we all know, it does come in the travel size, just as all the other ones do. The canister looks the same as all their other fragrances. It has a magnetic closure. You can get the travel size. It can be refilled. You can have the bottle engraved. You know, the standard nice job that Louis Vuitton does. All of this applies to this fragrance as well. I hope this information has been helpful. I hope it has been useful. Hopefully you can try it and apply it. Hopefully you can see if this would be a fragrance for you. For me, I'm just gonna leave it as, it's okay. And I just don't, I mean, it's pretty, it's nice. Would I buy it? No. But it's nice, but I wouldn't buy it. I need a little bit more. From the moment I sprayed it in the store, I wasn't wild, I wasn't impressed. I was just like, it's nice. And so that's what it is. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If this was your first time watching and you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet and you like these type of videos, go ahead and consider subscribing. I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. Until next time, be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.